Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light bulbs on a Nissan Quest. This particular one is a 2008 Nissan Quest. Let's go ahead and get started. Now when these go out, obviously there's safety concerns with that because people may not know if you're braking, even though you do have a third brake light and you may have the other side. But another thing, you will get pulled over. You may not get a ticket. You may just get either a repair order, or if you get a law enforcement officer that's in a good mood, they may just give you a warning and you just need to get it fixed. That's the end of it. So with this one here, we have our passenger side that went out. Now, whether it's the passenger or driver, it's the same process. So regardless which one, it's the same process. But let me show you what it's doing, and then I'll show you what's needed to complete this video. As you're looking at it now, I'm going to press the brake, and you'll see the driver's side and the third brake light came on. Passenger side is definitely out. There it is, no brake, brake applied, you can see that. What you're going to need is the 3157 bulb. You'd want the K or the plain. You do not want the A. The A is the amber one, so you want to make sure that it is the 3157 or the 3157K, the clear one. You will also need a 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the two screws to get the assembly off to access the bulb. Now to access the screws that hold this on, we're going to have to open this. And right here, and I'll get a close-up, there's two 10mm screws holding this on, and then we'll just pull it right out. But here's a close-up. One up there, and one right here. That's it. You don't have to worry about this right here. And you can use a ratchet, or if you have one of those screwdriver ratchets as well, that'll work. Put these in a safe place right here. And bring this down here. Now that these two screws are off, this does not come out that easy, which is a weird design, but you have two little rods in there that kind of clip in. So you're going to have to pull it straight back to get it out. It can be kind of tight, especially if it's the first time the bulbs are being replaced on it, and you have to pull it out. Some people will put like something in here to help pry it. I don't encourage that because this is very brittle plastic. You can crack it very easy. So what I do is just be patient, get a good grip on it here, and just pull it straight back. Just kind of moving it up and down. Let's see if you can pull it here. There we go. And then it just snaps, comes right out. But let me get a close up here, and I'll show you what those two clips were that we're having to pull it out of. One slips in there, and the other one slips right in here. That's one of the clips. That's the bottom one. That's the top one. So really, you just want to put a little bit of elbow grease into it, just pull straight back, and it'll release. But if we're looking here at the assembly, the one that we're going to be replacing is this middle one here. And basically, you can just grab it, turn it counterclockwise, and it comes right out. And then that's our bulb right there, the 3157K. You just need to pop that one out, swap it out for the other one. I have our new bulb here, and you'll see I am wearing gloves. It is recommended using gloves because the oil from your fingers can interfere with the longevity of the bulb. If you don't have gloves available, just use like a paper towel or a napkin. I've done that sometimes too. And to be honest, I don't always wear gloves. Sometimes I'm in a hurry, I don't. Never saw a difference, but they recommend it. Anyway, so let's remove the old bulb, the burned out one. And these can be in there kind of tight, so get a good grip on that. And you just pull it straight out. That's out. The new one, you can see that it just slides right in. And I'm going to undo this bulb real quick just to take the stress off of it. That way we can lay this down better so we can see this. So with the new bulb, it just slides straight in this way, but you want to push it all the way in. There you go, until it clicks in place. Now that that's done, We're just going to slide it in. It'll fall right in place. Then you turn it clockwise. That's locked in. We'll bring this one back. Put that one in. And then now we can slide this whole assembly back in. And then we'll try it out. Make sure the wires are all tucked in. And as we saw with where those clips go in, you want to make sure that you line the little stems up. You don't want to be pinching the wires in there either. Line that one up, line that one up. And there we go. And now give it a push. You'll hear a click. That one clicked in as well. And then now we can come in and we'll put the screws in. Hand tighten them first. You don't want to over tighten them because this is very brittle plastic. So just till you get a nice firm connection, then we're done. That's solid. Let's try it out. All right, so we're going to push the brake now. And you'll see now both sides and the third brake light are all on, contrary to what we saw earlier. Here it is, no brake. We hit the brake. All three of them working great. Okay, well that wraps up this quick video how to replace the brake light bulbs on a Nissan Quest. As mentioned already, this is a 2008 Nissan Quest. Bulb is 3157 or 3157K. Whether it's your driver or passenger, same process. Hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helped you out with any issues you're having with your Quest. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos. I have a lot of videos I've done with this vehicle. I'll have them down in the description. Hopefully they can help you out with other issues or projects you're working on with your Quest. And I'll see you next time.